In this video, we're going to look at data plates and how to interpret them. Some forklift trucks have more than one data plate attached. In this example here, the chart on the left shows you what this forklift truck is capable of without any attachment fitted, and the chart on the right shows you what it can do with the attachment fitted. Referring to this chart, we can see operating at a load center of 500 millimeters and up to or equal to 3.43 meters, this truck is capable of lifting 1,500 kilograms. Now, the higher we lift the load, the less stable everything becomes, so we can move further and further up this column until we reach the top of the height capacity, in this case 5.43 meters. So at 5.43 meters with a 500 millimeter load center, this fork truck's safe working load, or working capacity if you prefer, is 1,170 kilograms. Equally, the further we move the load center away from the heel of the forks, the less stable we become, and therefore the less we can lift. So at an 800 millimeter load center, up to and including 3,430 millimeters of height, we can lift 1,100 kilograms. And once more, the higher we go, the less stable everything becomes, until ultimately, in the top left-hand corner, if we have an 800 millimeter load center and we wish to lift to a height of 5.43 meters, our capacity now is a mere 850 kilograms. You may notice that now we have an attachment fitted to the fork truck, this chart has got significantly fewer entries. This is because the side lift attachment that we've now fitted actually weighs a fair bit itself and has the side effect, if you wish, of moving the center of gravity further away from its normal position. That means we now have reduced ability to lift both weight down from 1,500 kilos maximum to 1,320, and a reduction in height as well, from the previous 5.43 meters down to 4.03 meters. And of course, every attachment will affect your forklift truck's capacity some way or another. So you'll now notice that at a 500 millimeter load center, up to and below 3.43 meters, 1.32 ton, 1,320 kilos is our maximum. And again, we've lost that height. So at our new maximum height of 4,030 millimeters, so just over 4 meters, we now have a capacity of 1.22 ton, 1,220 kilos. If we then move across and we look at the 800 millimeter load center, again, we've lost initial capacity, and by lifting to a 4.03 meter, we're down to 910 kilograms. We have, however, added a little bit extra reach here. So at a 1,000 millimeter, so 1 meter load center, we now have the capacity to lift 840 kilos to 3.43, all the way down to a mere 780 kilos at 4.03 meters. Operating your forklift truck outside of the manufacturer's guidance, be that for weight, or height, or load center, is clearly a dangerous practice. It's therefore essential that you understand how to look at and understand these charts. And if you aren't sure, don't do it. Go and find some supervision.